how to boost your Instagram posts using Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be showing you how you can boost your Instagram posts or reels using Facebook. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto your Facebook account. You're going to log in and you're going to make sure that your Facebook account and your Instagram account are both connected. Now, in order to do that, you're going to need to make sure that your Instagram account is a professional account or a business account. So if you come over here, go into settings, you can see that my account is currently professional account, and you can easily do that by going into the settings and in the account, and at the bottom you will see account type, and you can switch it. And it's very simple. And once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to log in with your Facebook account right here. And once you've converted your Instagram account to your professional account, it will automatically ask you to connect it with your Facebook account. And once that's done, we can now proceed. Now, there is a standard method to boost your post, which involves the standard Instagram, boosting. But what I found is that doesn't really get you a lot of engagement. So what you can do is using Facebook's ad manager or ad center, you can promote your posts. So we're going to be doing that method. We can get more conversion. So first things first, you could go into your Facebook account, and on the left hand side, click on the ad center. If you don't see the ad center, just simply click on view more and just simply log in. Then what you need to do is you need to just simply click on the ad center, and over here you can start creating an ad for your post. You can also go into the Facebook or Meta Business Suite and create it over here. So over here, as you can see, create ad. Currently I'm over here, and we can go ahead and create a post. So click on ads. It's actually much better if you come over here into the business suite. So click on ads. All right, it's going to open up the ad center right here, and you can get started and create an ad. You could click on get started or click on create an ad over here at the top corner. Let's go ahead and click on create an ad, and over here you can boost your Instagram reel, right? This is the standard method. What you need to do is you need to come over here, click on all tools, and go into the ad manager right here. You open up your ad manager, wait for a couple of seconds. And over here, this is going to be your ad manager. And over here, all of the ads that you might have created are going to be over here. Basically, they will be campaigns. So let's go ahead and create a campaign. So to create one, just simply click on this green button known as create. Simply click on it. And over here, you will have a bunch of options, which will be objectives that you will have for your campaign. So it can be awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales. It can be anything you want. Just make sure that your objective aligns with what you want. So if you want awareness, then of course go with awareness. If you want traffic, then that just means that you want visitors to come to your website or app or Facebook events. Or engagement, you're gonna get more likes, views, and stuff like that. Leads are gonna collect leads for your business or brands and stuff like that. So make sure you select the appropriate objective. So for this one, I think that we should go with the engagement. We're going to click on engagement and click on continue. Now over here, we're going to give this a name, which is going to be the new engagement campaign or whatever it is. So we're going to call it Reels Engagement Campaign. All right. And you can even select a template if you want. You can create this campaign that you're creating it into a template so that you don't have to create one every single time you create a campaign. So next we want special ad category. If you want to select it, you could go with credit, employment, housing, or social issues, whatever you want. It depends on you. Next, we have the campaign details, which is going to be buying type is going to be auction. You could change it to bidding if you want, but currently I think that's the only thing that we have. Next is your objective. You can have more options as well. You can have A/B testing if you want. And then once everything is set, you can click on next. You can also add a advantage campaign budget, but for me, for the new people whose first time is creating this campaign, I'd recommend going with the default settings. Click on next. Next, what we can do is we can select the conversions you want. Messaging apps on your ad, website, app, Facebook page, whatever we want. We can select the conversions we want. And this is the ad set name. So you have to add a set of the name. So we're going to call it Reels Engagement Ad Set, and over here we'll just choose the conversion we want. For me, I think we want this one: on your ad, get people to watch a video or interact with your posts. or event. I think we'll go with this one. And next we want engagement type. We could go with views or post engagement or event responses. We'll choose post engagement. And then over here, maximize engagement with a post. Yeah, I think that looks good. And then we select a cost. Cost will depend on you. It should be around minimum, right? Since it's your first time, the cost should be minimum. And then you could increase your budget to see if you are actually getting a value. So make sure that your first cost or budget is set to a standard low range. So first I'm going to select 500 rupees, which is around roughly $2. And you have to make sure that your estimated audience size is as specific as possible. Remember, if it's more specific, it's going to be a little bit more expensive. If it's going to be broad, it's not going to be expensive. But make sure it depends on you if you want it specific or broad. Then you can even select a daily budget as well if you want. I think a daily budget is good. That's around $5. And we can even add a start date or end date if you want to. And then you can select the audience if you want to. So for me right now, it's selected to the location. So I selected United Kingdom. I think that looks good. And we can even, specify where we want in the UK, but I think for now it's good. We can even select the age group if we want. We'll go with 18 to around 30, maybe even 35. Yeah. And then all genders, yeah, detailed targeting, it all depends on you. You can add demographics or interest or behavior if you want to. And then you could go ahead and click on next to move forward. So when we click on next, we can choose the post or page right here. As you can see, we'll just choose the page if we want to. We'll go with whatever we want. We'll go with this one. And then we can select up the ad setup. You can use the existing post or create a post if you want, or use Creative Hub Mockup if you want to. And then you can select a post over here. And if we go into Instagram, you will see your posts. You will see reels. You will see feedbacks, videos if you want. We're going to select the reel that we have right now, and we'll click on continue. And over here, it says if you want to get it onto your Facebook, then you will have to upload it onto your Facebook as well. But for now, I think you get the general idea. You can add buttons, no buttons, send message, whatever you want. I think for now, since we are promoting our reel, we'll go with no buttons. And then we can even add our website and stuff like that. But generally speaking, this is all the things that you need to do once you've configured your ad. Then you just simply click on the publish button and boom, your ad will now be published and will be sent out into the world. And instead of the standard Instagram boosting, it will be performing as an ad and therefore get you more engagement as well. So that's how you do it. That's how you boost your Instagram post using Facebook's ad manager. So that's how you do it. That's how you boost your Instagram post using Facebook's ad manager. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And also let me know in the comments sections down below what you think about this video. And having said that, thank you guys for watching. And until next time, take care and goodbye.